Okay, let's turn to the next page. Page 122, question 4. Question 4 says that the area of this square is 64 square centimeters. So this is a square. Gonna mark out all four sides as equal. This is a square with an area of 64 square centimeters. And they say that we need to find the length of one side. So we need to find this one. Okay? Which is equal to this, which is equal to this, which is equal to this. Now, remember that for area, the formula is length times breadth for a rectangle. But because for a square, all four sides are the same, so we can actually write it as side times side. This is for square. Okay, now you see that on your paper, it already says something times something equals to 64, where these two lines have to contain the same number, right? And why do they have to be the same number? It's because all the sides are the same. So you take one side, multiply by the other side is the same, using the same number. Okay, so what times what gives us 64? Answer is 8. 8 times 8 gives us 64. So the answer for one side is 8 cm. Now, let's move on to question 5. It says that the area of this rectangular piece of paper is 48 square centimeters. So this is a rectangle. The length is 8 cm. Okay, we have two parts to this question. Firstly, we need to find breadth. Then we need to find the perimeter. Okay, so let's do part A first. To find the breadth, we need to take area divided by what is given? Length. So area is 48 square centimeters. We're dividing it by 8 cm. So what is 48 divided by 8? 6 cm. Okay, so that's the breadth. We can write it down under A. Oh, sorry, not 8. It is 6. Okay. Then let's move on to the next part. Next part is to find the perimeter. How do we find perimeter of rectangle? We can take L plus B plus L plus B, or we can take 2 times of length plus breadth. Okay, so let's do this one. 2 times length plus breadth. The length is given as 8 cm plus the breadth, which we found in part A as 6 cm. So we put in the breadth here. This is length and this is breadth. Okay, so 2 times of, what's 8 plus 6? 14 cm. Okay, so what is 14 times 2? Let's do our working. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2, so it's 28. 28 cm. Okay, so let's put it down on our answer line, 28 cm. Okay.